Shadow Milk? Did I cut your...
I'm blind.
What? I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. It was an accident.
Why did I agree to do this?
Can't you make it grow back?
I could shapeshift. I can't create matter out of nothing.
Was it alive? Maybe I can heal it back.
It doesn't work like that.
How long do you think it'll take it to grow back?
I don't know. I've never cut it before. It could take months.
Don't worry. Being blind is not that bad. I can help you.
That's easy for you to say. What am I supposed to do for so long? I'm going to die of boredom.
If you want, I can teach you how to read Braille so you can read some of my books. It may help distract you.
Does he really think the Cookie of Knowledge doesn't know Braille? Alright, that's the least you can do. He just wants him to keep him company.
Yep.
Ha 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 ha.